For this example, you guys are going to be changing this repeating decimal actually into a fraction. So the cool thing about this is if you look, this is 0.24 plus 0.0024 plus 0.00024 plus so on and so forth, right? If you see when we add it together, that's how we get 0.242424, so on and so forth. So hopefully you guys see that connection, that's what this is. Two things we need to do. In order to write this as simplest fraction, we're actually going to go ahead and write it into the format of the geometric series. I'm sorry if you hear Georgia in the background. She's with me. So we've got this first term over the 1 minus my rate. I know my first term. My first term is 0.24, but I don't know my rate. How do I find it? Well, I'm going to write my rate in the ratio of my second term, 0.0024, over 0.24. This gives me a rate of 0.01. So I'm going to have 0.01 as my rate. And so from here, now I have my sum formula. So what I need to do is I need to go ahead and now simplify and then write it as the fraction, because that's how I can write it as a fraction in the simplest form. So it's nice that it goes this way from decimals to fractions and vice versa. So simplifying this down, I end up with 0.24 over 0.99, which is 24 over 99. And then I can take a 3 out of everything, and that leaves me with an 8 over 33. So 8 over 33 is equivalent to 0.242424, repeating on forever. And that's it for this problem. Thank you guys also for putting up with Georgia in the background.